Do you want to know how you can log into your Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund login. What you need to do is scroll a bit down until you find this link. So go ahead and click on this and it will lead you to the official page of Kotak Mahindra. Now you can see login on the top right hand side. Click on it. It will lead you to this login portal of Kotak Mahindra where you can log in using your CRN, user number or username or card number. So go ahead and write down your CRN if you have one or your username. Or if else you don't have any of these, go ahead and write down your card number. After that, write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure you look at your password by clicking on this icon. And if you want yourself to be remembered, go ahead and click Remember My CRN. Now, after doing all of this, go ahead and click Secure Login. This way, you can successfully log into your Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund account. If you have forgotten your CRN username or password, this is the link for you. Go ahead and choose one of these. So if you want to create username or you want to know CRN or generate password, these are the three separate links. I hope this video about how you can log into your Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.